Hello, Internet. Welcome to my channel. I recently purchased a 14-volt car and bike battery charger for just 230 rupees. Pretty cheap, right? Today, I'm going to unbox it, take a look at the internal components, and test it by charging a battery. Let's find out if this budget buy actually works or if it's a waste of money. So, let's get started with the unboxing.
One of the best features? It's an auto-cut charger with built-in overcharge protection. That means it prevents overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting, keeping your battery safe.
Connect adapter to main and to battery adapter VC4 plus VC. LED indicator will timer red when battery is being charged. LED will turn to orange-green whenever battery gets fully charged. To charge a 14-volt battery correctly and safely, you should use a charger specifically designed for a 14-volt battery or one that can handle the appropriate voltage range. The power supply has an output voltage of 14 volt and a current of 2A.
One of the best features? It's an auto-cut charger with built-in overcharge protection. That means it prevents overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting, keeping your battery safe. The charger accepts an input voltage range from 90 to 270 volts, AC at 50 or 60 hertz. The output is 14 volts DC at 2 amps, making it ideal for charging 12 volts or 14 volt lead-acid batteries, such as the 12 volts 7.5 Ah battery found in many UPS systems and ride-on toys. Battery charging instructions. Connect the charger to the mains power. Then connect the output pin, VC4 plus VC, to the battery terminal.
I'm going to show you what the internal looks like. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing, dropping a like, and leaving a comment below. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.